Number 1. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Priced at $20,000 according to the seller, this 23T Bucket is powered by a 350 small block engine with a blower, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. This car has the look of a classic hot rod with open wheels, painted dark purple, and a black interior. With less than 24,000 miles, this vehicle looks well used but still roadworthy. The seller calls it a sweet ride and is open to trades for other hot rods. Location: Deer Isle, Maine. Number 2. The 1938 Ford Dump Truck, priced at $30,000. As noted by the seller, this 38 Ford started life as a dump truck and has since been converted into a custom hot rod. It's powered by a Ford 460 engine mated to a C6 automatic transmission. Out back, there's a narrowed Sterling rear axle from a Ford F350, modified 7.5 inches to center the differential to suit this modification. According to the seller, the truck still needs some work, especially on the interior and the installation of power side windows. The glass and power window mechanisms are included in the sale, along with matching interior materials to match the upholstery. Location: Green Bay, Wisconsin. Number 3. The 1941 Plymouth Coupe, priced at $24,900. As described by the seller, this 1940 Plymouth has been modified into a full-blown street rod. Under the removable hood is a blown 360 Hemi engine equipped with a Yan 871 supercharger mated to a Torque Flight 727 automatic transmission. Power is sent to a Dana 44 rear axle, and the car rides on 29 by 15.5-inch Mickey Thompson tires mounted on 5-star centerline wheels. The seller states that the car is painted a pewter gray color that gives it a sleek sleeper look. The hood can be removed to reveal a polished chrome and billet engine bay. This car is street legal and ready to show off at any weekend, night, or car show. The seller is open to offers and trades. Location: Talent County, Connecticut. Number 4. The 1932 Ford 5-window coupe, priced at $32,500. According to the seller, this 32 Ford has a fiberglass body and pro-belt box chassis. It is powered by a new 350 crate engine from Chevrolet with a mother thumper camshaft from Comp Cams, mated to a turbo 350 automatic transmission and genie shifter. The car has only 325 miles on the clock since its completion. The suspension is a Speedway 4-bar configuration with coilovers in the rear. It also features a Ford 9-in rear axle and 4-wheel disc brakes. Other features include power windows, a new gauge cluster, a 20-gallon fuel tank, and a Speedway steering column. The cooling system uses an aluminum radiator behind the 32 grille. The front wheels are chrome 14-in, and the rear wheels are American Racing 15-in. All are wrapped in new radial tires. The car has a valid Pennsylvania title in the seller's name and is listed for $32,500. The seller is open to trades. Location: Walnutport, Pennsylvania. Number 4. The 1932 Ford 5-window coupe, priced at $32,500. According to the seller, this 32 Ford has a fiberglass body and pro-belt box chassis. It is powered by a new 350 crate engine from Chevrolet with a mother thumper camshaft from Comp Cams, mated to a turbo 350 automatic transmission and genie shifter. The car has only 325 miles on the clock since its completion. The suspension is a Speedway 4-bar configuration with coilovers in the rear. It also features a Ford 9-in rear axle and 4-wheel disc brakes. Other features include power windows, a new gauge cluster, a 20-gallon fuel tank, and a Speedway steering column. The cooling system uses an aluminum radiator behind the 32 grille. The front wheels are chrome 14-in, and the rear wheels are American Racing 15-in. All are wrapped in new radial tires. The car has a valid Pennsylvania title in the seller's name and is listed for $32,500. The seller is open to trades. Location: Walnutport, Pennsylvania. Number 6. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket, priced at $19,500, as noted by the seller. This 23 T-Bucket is a kit build with approximately 3,500 miles on the clock. Power comes from a 350 small block engine with aluminum cylinder heads, thumper camshaft, and new Demon 650 carburetor paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and 3.73 rear axle. The car rides on new wheels and tires and features a tailgate and roof that are not currently installed. The exterior is finished in yellow with a black interior. It is a 2-owner build, and according to the seller, it drives as well as it looks. Location: Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Number 7. The 1932 Chevrolet 4-door rat rod, priced at $22,500 according to the seller. This 1932 Chevrolet has its original uncut steel body, built about 6 years ago, powered by a Cadillac 500 engine mated to a TH400 automatic transmission and a new rear axle. It also has power steering and retains its original exterior with oxidized green paint, in keeping with the rat rod aesthetic. The seller notes that the vehicle is rust-free and has only been owned by 2 people since its completion. Mileage is listed at 10,000 miles. Location: Bangor, Pennsylvania. Number 8. The 1941 GMC pickup, priced at $25,000. This custom 1941 GMC truck features an extended cab and sits atop a modified 1987 Chevrolet S10 Blazer chassis. The chassis was extended and channeled 2 inches, giving this vintage GMC truck a unique look. The vehicle has 35,000 miles and a rebuild certificate due to the extensive modifications. Under the hood is a rebuilt 350 engine that has been offset .030 over. It features a mild crankshaft, intermediate camshaft, and an electric fuel pump. It is mated to a 700R for automatic transmission and a standard S10 rear axle with a 3.42 gear ratio. Other features include suicide doors, DuPont sunflower yellow paint with pearl accents, an AC-built radiator, and a gas filler hole neatly integrated into the bed. Inside, the truck is equipped with air conditioning, a CD player, radio, and electrical accessories. The cabin is described as comfortable and reportedly has always been kept in a climate-controlled garage and has never been driven in inclement weather. Cash only, no trades accepted. Location: West Grove, Pennsylvania. Number 9. The 1950 Ford F1 custom pickup, priced at $20,500 according to the seller. This 1950 Ford F1 was custom built on a 3x2-inch tubular frame and features a fully engineered 4-link suspension system and a 12-bolt rear axle. It is powered by a newly built Ford 302 engine with recent dyno documentation provided by the seller. It is mated to an automatic transmission. The body has been significantly modified, including a chopped cab and a custom-built bed with birch flooring. The car is painted a deep emerald green that almost looks black in most lighting. The seller rates the paint and bodywork as show quality. It scores a 10 out of 10. Other features include front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, and a clean ride. The truck is said to be ready for local shows or casual driving. Location: Zimmerman, Minnesota. Number 10. The 1932 Ford Roadster, priced at $25,500 according to the seller. This 1932 Roadster has a fiberglass body and has only covered 3,000 miles since its completion. Under the hood is a reliable 350 engine mated to a 350 automatic transmission. It is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes and a fully chrome front suspension system. It features a bright red exterior that matches the interior. Additional features include a dolphin gauge cluster, electrically operated trunk, tilt steering column, and Ford rear axle. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well, though it could be better with a little maintenance. It was built about 3 years ago and is said to be ready to drive and would be a sight to behold with a few finishing touches. The seller is open to trades, but is not interested in motorcycles, boats, or imported cars. Location: Melbourne, Florida. Number 11. The 1927 Chevrolet Woody Wagon, priced at $21,000. This 1927 Woody Wagon is a pro street hot rod with only 300 miles on the clock since its rebuild. It is powered by a 300 530 over engine equipped with new cylinder heads, a Performer intake manifold, a Harley 750 carburetor, and a custom camshaft. Other components include a new water pump, fuel pump, 15-gallon aluminum fuel tank, high distributor, mini starter, an aluminum radiator with electric fan. The drivetrain consists of a TCI Turbo 350 automatic transmission with a 2,800 revolutions per minute stall converter, new drive shafts, and a 10-bolt rear axle with new axles. The front suspension is a Speedway Motors axle with Willwood spindles and disc brakes, QA1 coilovers, and new hairpin radius bars. Additional upgrades include Summit rear calipers and rotors, Summit wiring harness, custom stainless exhaust, custom frame and body, and 15-in rally wheels with new tires and 15x10 aluminum wheels. Location: Sheffield Lake, Ohio. Number 12. The 1947 Diamond T pickup truck, priced at $66,000 according to the seller. This 1947 Diamond T is a rare example with few examples available. Built on a Chevy C10 chassis and powered by an LS1 engine mated to a 4L60E automatic transmission, it's in pro touring configuration. The custom interior was done by Complete Upholstery. The truck rides on 20-in low-profile wheels and tires. The patina-style paint job and stack exhaust system add to the aggressive look. All glass was replaced and tinted. Registered in Georgia with a clean title. The seller states that it's very hard to find one like this ready to drive. Location: Gainesville, Georgia. Number 13. The 1961 Ford Other Pickups Econoline pickup, priced $7,699. According to the seller, this 1961 Ford Other Pickups Econoline pickup, known as the Deer T-Shop Rod, was a custom build from start to finish. Truly one of a kind. It was featured in 2 episodes of the Discovery Channel show Twin Turbos that showed the entire process of its creation. It is also available in the popular video game Forza Horizon, where players can virtually drive the car. It is powered by a Ford Performance Coyote 5.0 L-Crate engine with a Candy Red Whipple supercharger producing 850 horsepower. Paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission with a Reed Billet racing case. The chassis was custom built by Deere in a full tube racing design. equipped with forged Forgiato wheels and Michelin tires. The interior features a custom-designed one-of-a-kind suede, airbrushed paint, and modern decoded digital electronics. The suspension is an AccuAir air system and also includes a racing radiator, fire suppression system, custom stainless exhaust, and a hand-built fuel tank. The seller says this project was done on a budget with lots of high-end components. Trade-ins are welcome. Location: Morris County, New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notifications.